Kia ora, nau mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa, ko Jesse tōku ingoa. Today I will be taking you on a tour of our Otaki campus. Haere mai! This building is Te Ara a Tāwhaki, home to our state-of-the-art lecture theatre, library, student hub and enrolment centre. In this building is our whare kai. During residential noho, this is where kai is prepared and eaten. We also have campus accommodation for those who are staying here during noho. In 2023, 4 new buildings were opened as a part of the Te Wānanga o Raukawa Living Building Project. These buildings are used as classrooms for our ākonga and offices for our kaimahi. Across from our main offices is our world-class training facility, Ngā Purapura. It features court facilities which can be converted for functions, a cafe, a fully equipped gym, classrooms and meeting rooms. That's our campus tour for today. Thanks for joining me.